Before use, please ensure that safety rope is securely fastened to an immovable and stable object. Also, lock the safety rope to prevent any potential risks. Press and hold Start button on WINBOT for 2 seconds to start the fan, then place WINBOT's bottom close to the glass. WINBOT will automatically attach itself and start cleaning. The WINBOT first-time job defaults to deep cleaning. Note: 1. WINBOT is only suitable for flat surfaces without gaps. 2. Please ensure that the glass thickness is not less than 3 mm. 3. It is recommended to keep a distance of at least 10 cm from the edge of the window. Short press the power button on the WINBOT to pause WINBOT's current work. Short press the power button again to have WINBOT resume and continue the unfinished cleaning task. After finishing the cleaning task, WINBOT will automatically return to its initial spot and wait to be removed. Press and hold the power button WINBOT for 2 seconds or more to stop the fan.
Firmly hold WINBOT as it is about to detach.
Then, take WINBOT off according to voice prompts. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the Help section in the app settings to watch more instructional videos.